Hey guys, today we're exploring Sloss Furnaces. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Will and Ben's Excellent Adventures. I'm Will.
And I'm Ben.
And today we're at the big furnace.
We're at Sloss Furnaces, and they have a ton of huge furnaces. There's no other place like it in the world. So,
let's get to the excellent adventure.
So this is one of the two huge blast furnaces that are on the property.
What you got, dude?
Coke. So it's like the lightest rockish thing. So it feels like it has no weight at all.
It's just super airy. Like this, if this was a normal rock, I would be like, instead of doing this, I would be doing this.
So I just found pig iron on the floor. It's kind of weird on the floor, but
So you guys can actually go to sleep tonight. I'm gonna explain to you why pig iron is called pig iron. Because how it's made, or how they get it is so kind of how you would see it is there's this one big bar of metal, and then on the sides there's all like those little bars that Will just showed you on, like going out of the bar in the middle. So it's kind of like pigs sucking on their mama's milk. So now you can go to sleep. Up is kind of scary.
oh my gosh. The ladder to the top is right beside the camera.
Getting my reps for the day. We found a weird red and black bee wasp. I think it's more on the side of a wasp, but it's red and black. I've never seen this before in my life on a screen or in real life.
Hey guys, so we just found maybe where Domino's got its name, because we found the biggest pizza oven area. There's so many. Just take a look. Pizza ovens. So we unlocked their secrets. Not only did they have the Sloss furnace, big deal, they had the largest pizza oven ever. We found out their secret. Maybe this is where Domino's started. Maybe this is how they fed the 800 workers that worked here.
Cheese pizza! Those carts up there would come down on the railing, so all the way down into there, they would get cold. Then, they would go all the way down there, get cold, and then bring it all the way back up to the top.
Hey guys, so right now we're underground a level or two, and you see this thing comes down like Thomas the Train, and it's full of coal, and it just dumps it into the cars, and then they just go up, dump it, and they come back, and Thomas comes back and dumps it, and then they go back up. So it's a huge cycle to make pig iron in for all this stuff. Oh no, that's scary. Oh no. Okay, just get a nice straight shot all the way down.
Can the camera see all the way back there? Like that little light? Wait, let's see if I can. Yeah, right there. All the way down. I bet we have passed that and when we're walking above and just not even notice it, and now we're down here looking at it.
Yeah. Kind of creepy. Ooh, scary. Yeah, if you want to see us do airsoft in here, get us 1 million subs. Yeah. It's sketchy. So let's go.
called a winch. Not this big thing, but that huge claw. It works like a claw machine, so anything in this room, you could just pick it up with the huge claw and move it to another place.
Okay, so when you're in a place that the spider webs are so weird that they look like shattered glass, you know you're not in the right place. It literally looks like shattered glass. And then, so like literally you turn around, or you also, there's tons of spiders looking like tarantulas. And then you like turn it, like you go to your grandma's house and she's like, oh, look at our pretty antique fridge. And you look and you're like, Grandma, that's not a fridge. That's just a piece of metal. Like, what even happened to it?
Look, I know most of you watching aren't in kindergarten, but this is the definition of brave. Going down this hallway. That anybody who dares to go down this hallway, they are considered brave. Except for this guy. He's not brave. In these days, if we saw this, we would think, oh, there's probably a lot of wires in the back. That's our technology. But for them, this is what is in the back.
Hey guys, so behind us is the water tower and over there is the main furnace. And so we're gonna go up some staircases and explore it. It's gonna be awesome. Hey guys, so right here is where the slag comes out. So the slag is the stuff on top of the yummy, good stuff that makes pig iron. The slag is the bad stuff on top, so they wait till it gets right there, then they take a tool and poke a hole, and then the slag will just come pouring out right here. And back a long time ago, that road up there, that highway, used to be on the ground. And when they would poke this hole, so much slag would come out that it would go down, it would fill this entire place up and go all the way down across the road and like stop traffic. So that's why the road's now built up there. Of course now they're no longer doing this, so now we just have an elevated, cool road, which is nice. And once the slag's out, they take the good stuff out over there where we just were. So it's cool.
This is the blast furnace. This is where they poked the hole and all that came out, they made the pig iron. This is where it all happened.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our excellent adventure. And remember, get outside
And explore.